They say that adventure is necessary. So we jumped on our Jeep as a family, packed our tent, our overland gear, and we drove almost 2,000 miles from the state of Florida to the San Juan Mountains in Colorado for an overland family adventure. I truly believe that adventure is necessary for the family, and without adventure, relationships can grow stale and cold without that time for bonding. It was an adventure by itself, just driving across the country and seeing places that we've never seen before. The first day we drove about 500 miles to the great state of Texas. Unfortunately, we took a little too long in our stops and we made it there at nighttime. So we had to set up camp at night. We stopped by the Texas-New Mexico border for some dinner and decided to have a little fun with the birds. Yes, it's the little things that amuse us.
Watch it. You see, there he comes. Oh, he's hopping.
Since leaving Florida, we had driven over 1,000 miles and we were tired. But we were graciously met by the precious New Mexico sunset. Beautiful.
Stop! Stop!
In this overland trip, we didn't plan our stops very well. So it was too late to find a spot to be off-grid or a campground, so we had to settle for a motel. Anyway, you live and you learn. But if you are planning on making a long road trip, I advise you to take a rest every 8 to 10 hours. Time to hit the road.
Hey guys, so we are now in New Mexico, and it looks like the change in pressure has caused this Dorito bag to almost blow up.
Pillow. Looks like a pillow.
Looks like a pillow.
Welcome to Colorado.
We finally made it to Colorado. It took us 3 days and 2,000 miles, but we finally made it. So we began to set up camp again.
Alright, welcome back to our National Geographic cooking channel. You can see that golden ring right in here. So what you want to do is you want to fill the water all the way under. I have it filled for the most part, and let me make sure it's filled to the end. You see your little filter right here. You're going to take your filter, you're going to put it inside here. Now what you want to do, Ariana, are you paying attention?
No.
You're going to be doing this tomorrow. You're going to take your coffee. You're going to take 1 scoop.
Oh, and it better be Bustelo.
It has to be Café Bustelo, or else I don't know what you're doing. It's not good if it's not Bustelo. So you take 1 scoop. You take 2 scoops. You spill it like I do. And then you take your 3rd scoop, put it right there. Make it all nice and neat. Alright. Second thing you want to do, take your top part. You just simply without spilling it, you screw it on. There we go. Look how beautiful, ladies and gentlemen. Look how easy, how beautiful, how fun and fantastic. Alright, so since we're out in the wilderness, we only have our propane gas. So you need to get your little propane tank, get your torch, thank you. My assistant's out there in the back helping me out. And make sure that you turn the propane on. You can tell if it's on because if it starts making sounds, then you're good. You take your torch, voila, there goes the fire. And ladies and gentlemen, we'll be coming back to you once it's ready. And we're back, ladies and gentlemen. As you could probably hear, the coffee is boiling. That's how you know that it is ready. If you lift it up, you can see that the coffee is boiling, and if you take it off, you're still able to hear it. So we're just gonna take it off right now, turn off the stove, and let the coffee boil for a little bit. And thank you for watching with us how to make coffee out of a greca.
Oh, look at the baby.
Oh, he's not going with the mama.
Where's her mama?
Right there, he just crossed.
I know, but her mama needs to come back for her. Is that a bad mama?
No, that's a bad baby.
Well, the baby's scared of the Jeep. Oh, there's more.
There's a lot more. That was cool. You good, Gabby?
That Gabby?
So cool.
After spending a few days in Vallecito, we decided to go higher up the mountain towards Silverton and Ouray and try to camp out at Mineral Creek.
All right. Easy, easy.
Please join us next time as we adventure off the beaten path and off-road in Colorado, taking in all the beautiful sights the state has to offer.